Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python complete course. So in this previous video, we study about classes and objects. We created object and understood how they store data. So now every time we create an object, we manually assign value like this. So imagine creating 1000 students. So assigning a value one by one will take a lot of time. So Python provides a special method called a constructor to initialize object automatically. So in this video, we will study about what is a constructor, the init function variable, instant variable, object initialization, constructor, example, common mistake, practice program. So let's start this video. So first of all, this is the chapter video name, that is constructor and instant variable. Introduction is that this chapter explains constructor, the init functions. We simply call it the init function. So the init function method an instant variable used to initialize object in Python. So what is a constructor? A constructor is a special method that executes automatically when an object is created. So basically a constructor is a special method that is called automatically whenever an object is created. So its main purpose is to initialize object data. Unlike normal method, we don't call constructor manually. Python automatically execute them. So your question is that why do we need a constructor? So without constructor structure, we will put like this name a student, like not this one, like this roll number, name, student, age, like this. So with the help of constructor, we simply put like this. So this is cleaner. Something error happened. Maybe yeah, this one is not properly. We will do it later. So this look like cleaner, faster, easier to manage, and more professional. So I hope you guys understand. You should not worry about the net is showing error because I removed the statement here. So due to this is showing me error. So it should not need do not need to worry about. The next one is the init function method. The I am visual in the video. What? The init function method initialize object or attribute with the value passed during object creation. So basically in Python, constructor are created using the init function method. So its syntax is like Pascal case class. like this. As we reading with this one. Here, output a constructor code like this. The output display in it like this. So how the construction execution? So whenever an object is created, Python perform a student function, then memory allocated, then init function, then object ready. So now we are doing an example that's by using constructor with parameters. So basically, you guys know about that constructor is a special method automatically execute automatically when object is created. The init method initialize object oriented with the value password, blah 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 like this. So we are at this. So here the we use constructor with parameters like this. The parameter is name, the self dot name equal to name, a student name. So it's like this. Now you can use multiple parameters like this. So now the next one is instant variable. So instant variable belong to individual object. Each object can store different value in its instant variable. So basically, variable create using self are called instant variable. That means a variable create using self are instant variable. If I will show you example for that. So now take an example of it. So like a student. Wait a minute. Hello? रुक जा 2 मिनट. यार yes, sorry guys, I had to extend the call. So like this. So I hope you guys understand this one. So now the next one is I will explain the next part like is example creating object like this in next video. So I hope I think it is better for you and so thank you for this videos. So thank you guys.